Hi guys, welcome back. It's Bella. Thank you so much guys for stopping by and watching my channel. I so appreciate it. I'm just honored because I know there's so many channels out there you guys can watch, and just thank you for at least stopping by. However many minutes you guys stop by, promise you I won't bore you. I'll try not to. Okay, so what I want to do today is show you my my Selena MAC. I just got it in the mail and I'm so excited. So I did the pre-order and the only thing that they had left that I wanted for the pre-order was the eyeshadow. It is so freaking gorgeous. So MAC did another collab with Selena, and so it comes in a case like this. It's like cardboard kind of, but the detailing is very beautiful. It's not real crystals, but it does match what her makeup case is, which is like so this, and it has her picture on there. It's just beautiful. It's like a film. And then here are the shades that it comes with. So it comes with 8 shades, and for MAC, for this only being $35, it's such a good deal, especially for MAC makeup. And their eyeshadows, the formula that MAC makes is just so amazing. I'm just so in love with them. So I got that, which I'm going to show you. And then I got her lipstick, the red one, which thank God. I at least got 2 things before they sold out, which I'm so happy for. So it's this one right here, and it's this color red, so it's really, really pretty red. So I'm going to be trying that one out too as well. So you guys, get your water, your drink, your wine, whatever you guys are drinking. I got my water. And grab a seat and let's play. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to try this. It's a different way that I'm putting, usually I'll put concealers on my eye right here, but I wanted to try this look because I saw other YouTubers doing it, so I wanted to give it a try and see if it works. I want something to try. This is a soft ochre. It's the paint pot right here. So I also got this. This is from MAC too. It looks like this color. So I'm going to try it. I don't know if it's going to be too dark on me. We'll see. And I'm going to apply this on my eyelid with the 247 MAC brush. 247 MAC brush. Okay. And I'm just going to apply it all over the lid like this. I don't know if you guys always, oh my God, again, I've had a bad eyebrow day. The other one didn't want to match the other one. They just weren't happening today again. So sad. So I put it on both eyes. I'm still working with the paint pot. Oh my God, it is like amazing. I am like so loving this. My eyebrows are making me mad right now. But yeah, if you guys haven't tried it, you guys should try it. I think you'll like it. Okay guys, so the first one I'm going to start out with is this color right here. They don't put any names on here that I see. That's okay. Okay, so it's like a orange, like brownish color. This is going to be my transition shade I'm going to apply. So I'm going to start out at the end of the eye and just tap it just a little bit, just in case it's too dark. I don't want to go too heavy on it, so it's better to put less on first than dark or heavy, because then, you know, it's a lot harder to remove it if you have a lot of product on there. Oh my God, this color is so amazing. I love it. I am in love so far. I don't know if you guys can see it so far, but I'm doing both eyes right now. I put a little bit more on of that same color because I want to get a little bit darker. And I'm just blending. Windshield wiper. Blend, blend, blend. Oh my God. If you guys can see this color, it's freaking beautiful. It's so good. Now I'm going to go in. I'm going to use this brownish color right here. Just putting a little bit on my brush just in case it goes a little bit dark. I'm sorry, I'm using my Jaclyn Hill Morphe transition blender. I can never say that. Oh, okay. I'm just gonna go lightly on it like this. Wow, this is amazing. Oh my god, this is beautiful too. So I just used those two colors so far, and oh my god, it's beautiful. You guys can actually just wear these two colors and then call it a day. It's beautiful. But I want to try a couple other colors and go a little wild, because I feel like being wild today. Okay, so I'm going on the outer corner like this. And then I'll end up blending that in a bit. But I just want to pack that on there right now. That's a pretty color. I like it. It's pretty. I love it. Tartar sauce. So I'm going in with my Jaclyn Hill Buffer Blender brush. And I'm picking up a little bit more. I'm just going to go on the outer corner still and just blend a little bit. I just don't want that red to disappear. So I'm not blending it too much. I want that red to still pop out, which is just freaking gorgeous. I love it. Okay, now I'm going to do a cut crease. So I'm gonna cut it just right, stop about that area. I'm using my Kylie, the color Shell. I'm using my shadow concealer brush from Morphe. And I'm gonna start cutting. So I'm just stopping where I stopped that red area, that red color. And I'm just going up a little bit, like to there. You guys can take your time when you're doing it, but you know what? It's just makeup. So what if you mess up? I know, I mess up on my eyebrows, so don't look. But it's okay. It's life. That's how you practice and you get better. By making mistakes and practicing and keep doing it, that's how you're going to learn to be better. So don't ever give up. Okay? You can do it. Okay, now I'm going to do some shimmer. Shimmer time, baby! I am going to be using my same shadow. Well, I'm going to be using my shadow concealer brush. But it'll work. And I'm using my setting mist from Morphe. Spray it because I want to really have that shimmer just pop. I just want it to be popping. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this color right here. I'm gonna go that one, and I'm just gonna put it on the inner corner of the eye. Oh my god, that's so freaking beautiful. Oh my god, I hope you guys can see it. It is so freaking gorgeous so far. And if you make a mess, that's okay. We're gonna fix it. Okay, so I'm just gonna put a little bit more red on. So I'm taking my pencil brush that I got, and I'm putting a little bit more red on the outer corner, just because I want the red to pop a little bit more. And then I'm gonna blend. So I'm just doing that. I love how the colors come together though. Oh my god, it's so gorgeous. I'm gonna try something. Hope I don't mess it up. So I'm using my tapered blender Morphe brush, and I'm gonna go in back with this one. I want to blend more on the top, so I'm just gonna lightly tap the color. And I hope I don't mess up. Please don't let me mess up. Okay, so I'm just gonna go and just lightly blend. Just looks like it blends together like that. Because it was bugging me. Ooh, and then I'm going in with my pencil brush again with the red, and I'm just blending these two colors together. Just a little. Sorry. I was looking in the mirror. Okay, now I'm going to go in. I'm not going to wet this one. This time for this one, I want to see how it does without it being wet. So I'm going to use this color. The same brush I'm using. And I'm just going to go towards the middle. Like that. It's pretty. So you don't have to wet this one if you don't want to. I'm going to blend that in, so don't worry. Okay, I'm going to do my eyeliner, my mascara, and my eyelashes. So I will be back. Okay. Put my eye, oh my god, this eye is like really bugging me. It wasn't cooperating with my eyelashes. I'm so sad. Okay, I'm going to go in with my shadow concealer brush. I'm going to go in with this orange brownish color, and I'm going to do a little bit underneath the eye area. Ah, damn it. Oh, there's my phone. Okay, and I'm just going to go underneath the eye area like this. And I'm not going to go all the way to the inner corner. I'm just doing a little bit. Like, a little over half. Phone battery's nice. I gotta hurry. Okay, I'm going to go in with the top one up here. And I'm going to just put a little bit more on the bottom. I'm going to try to go all the way more in on the eye. Okay guys, I know you want me to wrap it up. I'm almost done. I'm just going to contour my face real quick off camera, and then I'll be back. I'm back. Sorry, it took me a little bit of time. So I'm going to do my lips. And I am using NYX color SPL 817 lip liner. And of course, my Selena red color. I love it. Just in case, if you guys have really dry lips like I do, especially in the summertime because it's hot where I'm at. I'm in Vegas, Nevada. It's so freaking hot here. I put on sugar. This is a sugar lip treatment, which I really love. This stuff is amazing, and I got the sample from Sephora. So I just put on a little bit, just sparingly, because my lips are so dry. It needs that extra love, but this stuff is good, and it has SPF 15, which is really good. So love this stuff. So I'm going to start on the outer corner and work my way in. And now it's the red. Follow, subscribe, ring that bell, and thank you guys so much. And let me know what your comments are below. If you guys tried it, how it worked out for you. Okay? Love you guys. Mwah.